Hey everyone, welcome to Flatland Custom BMX. In today's video, we have what I'm calling the ultimate We The People Utopia unboxing video. So in this box, not only do we not just have the frame, we also have the fork and the Utopia handlebars as well. So let's check out what's in the box here. So first up, we have the Utopia handlebars. Those out here, Utopia handlebars. So I got some notes here. Now this has an 8.75 inch rise. It's all 100% chromoly. It's got the lowered pink crossbar here for more leg and feet accessibility. And this weighs in at 1.88 pounds. Next up, we have fork. People Utopia forks. Check those out. So these have the zero offset, as you can see, which is optimized for Flatland. Comes with the U-brake mounts. This fits up to a 2.3 inch tire. Comes with a lifetime warranty, 100% chromoly, and this weighs in at 1.92 pounds. And then last but not least, the frame. Check that out. Love the color on this thing. The color on this is called transparent lilac. It's 100% chromoly. The bottom bracket on here is Spanish size. The most common size is a mid, but this is Spanish size, so it's a little bit smaller than a mid bottom bracket. It's a brakeless frame. Got the kinked top tube once again for more leg freedom for your legs and feet. Your Flatland tricks. 19 inch top tube. This also comes in a 20 inch. This one's a 19. It's got a 12.5 inch chainstay, 75 degree head tube, 71 degree seat tube angle. The standover height is 6.2 inches. 6.2 inches. Comes with a lifetime warranty. And this frame weighs in at 4.27 pounds. There you have it. Check me out for future videos on when I start building this bike out.